State Farm vs Progressive 2025. Which insurance is better? Most people get insurance comparison wrong by looking only at price. In 2025, State Farm and Progressive offer strong auto and home insurance, but with different strengths. State Farm is known for customer service and extensive agent network. You won't believe what happens next. It offers personalized coverage and discounts for safe driving, bundling, and loyalty. Progressive stands out for online tools, including its Name Your Price tool and Snapshot telematics program. The surprising truth is that digital-first features help customers save money while monitoring driving habits in real time. Premiums vary by state, driving history, and coverage options. State Farm is better for those valuing in-person support, while Progressive is ideal for tech-savvy users seeking flexible, customizable policies. In conclusion, neither is strictly better in 2025. Choose State Farm if you want personal service and reliability. Choose Progressive if you prefer online management, digital tools, and customizable pricing. Evaluate your priorities to decide which fits best.